Are you ready to earn from NFT selling? Welcome to the revolutionary auto bidding income platform, a game changer in the world of NFT trading. This platform is designed to generate a daily income stream that could reach an exhilarating 1.5% daily. Just picture the simplicity of auto bidding on high-value NFTs every day and the excitement of seeing your earnings grow. This isn't just about buying and selling, it's about creating a sustainable income that works for you. And with our dynamic NFT affiliate earnings program, you can expand your income potential even further. This is the future of daily income NFT trading. All it takes is a simple login each day and activate the auto bidding function. Then you're off to a promising start as the platform does all the bidding needed for that day. With just a simple login and activation, your journey into the lucrative world of NFT trading income opportunity begins. Imagine the ease of auto bidding on high-value NFTs each day. It's not just a vision, it's a reality made possible with our innovative auto bidding income platform. This platform, smartly designed and easy to use, operates like your personal NFT trading assistant, tirelessly working around the clock. Here's how it works. Once you've set up your auto bidding, the system automatically places bids on high-value NFTs, according to the number of bids you have each day. It's like having a personal shopper who knows exactly what you want and when to bid for it. But the real magic happens when you're off the grid. Whether you're catching up on sleep, spending time with family, or simply taking a break, the auto bidding system keeps working, creating revenue for you. Think of it as your ticket to a passive income stream, your gateway to financial freedom. Harness the power of auto bidding, set it up each day, and reap the benefits daily. Now let's tackle some common questions and concerns about our platform. First up, is the 1.5% daily income guarantee realistic? Absolutely. Our innovative platform consistently achieves this through the power of our NFT pool. It's not just a number we've plucked from thin air. It's an attainable goal we help you reach. Next is, how do I ensure auto bidding operates effectively? It's simple. Just set it up, and our system takes care of the rest. It's like having your very own personal assistant tirelessly working for you around the clock. Then we have, can I truly generate passive income with NFTs? Yes, you certainly can. Our users enjoy recurring revenue with minimal effort. It's the beauty of our platform. And finally, is the affiliate program beneficial to my earnings? Definitely. It's designed to substantially boost your income streams, adding another layer to your earning potential. You can even take advantage of making a royalty income selling your own NFTs. You can get a 10% royalty every time your NFT sells. Hopefully, this has answered some of your key questions, and you're now ready to dive into the world of NFT trading. The future of daily income NFT trading is here. Welcome aboard the revolutionary auto bidding income platform, where we've made it possible to earn as you sleep. With just a simple login, setup, and activation, you're stepping into a world of potential daily income from NFT trading. The thrill of auto bidding on high-value NFTs and watching your earnings grow each day is an experience like no other. But we don't stop there. Our dynamic NFT affiliate earnings program is designed to expand your horizons even further. There are several income streams that awaits you, multiplying your earnings as you delve into the fascinating world of NFTs. The future is here, and it's profitable. It's effortless. It's exciting, and it's all at your fingertips. The power to transform your tomorrow is just a click away. We are the future of daily income NFT trading. Start your NFT auto bidding tool today by clicking on the link below and transform your income by tomorrow.